Smartphone link display audio is available on a number of Mitsubishi models. By connecting an Apple CarPlay supported iPhone to your car with a Lightning to USB cable, you can use Siri voice commands to tell Apple Maps to navigate to your destination, make and receive phone calls or text messages, and play back music. To get started, connect your iPhone to the vehicle USB socket with a Lightning to USB cable. An icon will appear on the touchscreen. Press it to access the Apple CarPlay home screen. Your phone can then be safely stored away while driving to ensure compliance with government safety laws. Apple CarPlay can be operated with Siri for navigation, phone calling, messaging, and music playback. To talk to Siri, simply hold down the steering wheel button marked with a voice icon and state your preferred destination.
Show me the route to Southampton.
Getting directions to Southampton.
To proceed, just touch Go and navigation will start.
Starting route to Southampton.
Similarly, to make a phone call, just hold down the same steering wheel button again, or tap the phone icon on the screen and say the name of the person you want to call.
Make a phone call to Andy Thomas at work.
Siri will search your phone book for that name and connect your call.
Calling Andy Thomas, work.
You can also answer an incoming call by pressing the phone pickup button on the steering wheel.
Hello.
When sending a message, press and hold the steering wheel button or tap the Messages app icon on the screen and say the name of the person who you want to send the message to.
Send a message to Sarah White.
What do you want to say to Sarah White?
Say something you want, such as,
Let's go to dinner tonight.
Your message says, let's go to dinner tonight. Ready to send it?
Yes.
I'll send it.
When you receive a message, a notification is displayed on the screen. If you touch the notification, the incoming message is read out.
Sarah said, all right, let's meet up at 8 p.m. Want to reply?
Reply.
Go ahead.
Okay, see you then.
Your reply says, okay, see you then. Ready to send it?
Yes.
I'll send your message.
To play music, just press and hold the voice command button or tap the music icon on the screen.
Play Magnetic Fields for me.
Looking for magnetic fields. Here's the album Magnetic Fields by Symatix.
The search track is played automatically.